changes.
Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome into the Rockstarflipper YouTube channel. Today is Sunday. It is November 29th, 2020. Thank you guys for joining. Quick little fun video. I saw eBay, if you're not aware, has introduced an authentication program for watches. They also have it for handbags and wallets, purses type thing, and they're also now doing it for sneakers. They partnered with a sneaker company to authenticate sneakers, and just like they do with the other ones, where it'll go to a third party, they've set up this warehouse and they'll authenticate it. That way when it ships out to your buyer, they can't try to claim that you sold them a fake item. Well, something kind of cool, this is kind of like vanity for them and kind of publicity slash isn't gonna be huge, but eBay went out in Los Angeles, right off of Beverly Boulevard actually, and took over an old Koreatown 1940s Texaco gas station and turned it into a drive-up authentication location, just like a drive-through Starbucks or something. You can drive through with your watch or your sneakers. They'll authenticate it and you can actually sell it on the spot for cash or use the authentication to sell it on eBay like you normally would. And so it's pretty cool. I want to take you over on my iPad and show you the story about it and show you what the gas station looks like. And you guys can tell me what you think. The other thing is I want to know if you guys actually use the authentication program. If you ever have for purses or wallets or clutches or maybe for your sneakers if you just got started in that, or for watches. I think the watches are only for $2,000 and above. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong on that one. But I'm pretty sure it's only really high-end stuff on the watches, but they will authenticate, you know, sneakers, $100, you know, whatever it is. Purses, I don't think there's a limit on that either. So if you've ever used one of those, please comment below and let me know how that works and how the experience is, and whether you recommend it or you don't recommend it, and the fees involved with it. Just anything you want to share about it would be really, really cool. So let's go over to my iPad and I'll share screen share of what this cool gas station drive-up authentication from eBay looks like. It's open for business right now. So if you live in that area and you maybe want to go by there, you can also video or photograph it and share it with me, and I'll tag you and shout you out, and maybe we can do a little something about that if you actually use it. Also, guys, it is Sunday. It is still Black Friday weekend, Cyber Monday tomorrow. I ran some sales. I'll link them below as I did in the other video. All of my individual products, I just put $2.20 for 2020. And of course, the entire training bundle that includes all of those packaged in one good link. 20% off. I just try to do everything with like 20% off, coaching calls, all that stuff. It's linked below as always. And please support small businesses and sellers on this Black Friday weekend, Cyber Monday, and throughout the entire year, especially the holiday season. I'll link a list of my premier suggested small eBay sellers below. Go show them some love, visit their stores, buy something from them. Do that with anybody and everybody you can, especially this year as everyone needs it. We all know about what's going on in the world. So please, please, please support small sellers. Don't worry about shopping in my store. I'll be okay. Shop in these guys' store that's down below. Thank you guys. Let's go check out this authentication station and see what you guys think of it. Okay, so this is PR Newswire, and as we scroll down, San Jose, California, November 20th, so they came out with this about a week ago. eBay has converted an iconic gas station in East Hollywood into a drive-through authentication station, offering people a safe and socially distanced way to evaluate and sell their sneakers, watches, and collectibles without leaving the comfort of their cars. And we have a fantastic picture here of the eBay authentication station, tuned into 87.9 FM. You can see some people there already lined up. Stay behind the wheel, do not get out of your car. It's in Koreatown of East Hollywood. Pretty cool. It looks awesome. Don't know how many people will use it, but we'll see. The authentication station, a first of its kind, comes on the heels of the launch of eBay's Authenticity Guarantee. With the new drive-thru location in LA, eBay is inviting people to experience firsthand how items are appraised. The community response was incredible. That's from Tirith Kamdar, the general manager of luxury eBay North America. Get your item evaluated by experts, find out what it's worth, and fill up your pockets, all while staying in your car. Third-party authentication partner SneakerCon, as well as eBay top sellers, will review items that come through, drive up, stay in your car. Once verified, decide whether to accept the offer with the option to drive away with money. The authentication station is at 4450 Beverly Boulevard, open from November 19th through the 21st from 12 to 5 p.m. and free for attendees. Appointments are not required. And so I believe they're going to continue that. I don't know why they only put the 21st. I know it's still going on. And then they do it eBay sneakers by the numbers, 500,000 sneaker listings on eBay each day. They're surging in popularity. Nearly 6 million pairs sold last year in 2019. And the marketplace is one of the largest channels to buy and sell sneakers. eBay sold over 2 million watches in 2019 and over 8 million watches sold in the past 3 years. Those are crazy numbers. Rolex accounts for 40% of luxury watch sales on eBay. Rolex sales increasing 60%, and there's over 165,000 daily live listings for luxury watches since 2019. There's been a 10% increase in those listings. So pretty cool. Anybody who lives near the area, let me know. Drive by there, grab some pictures, grab some video. Go videotape your experience getting your stuff authenticated. That would be pretty cool too. And we'll see how the system works and how well they do and how much they charge for a fee if you use the authentication system that we have to ship into. I did reach out to eBay to get some clarification on those fees and who's paying them and the shipping and all that. I haven't heard back, but I'll try to get you guys an answer as quickly as I can. As always, appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you check out those links below for the Black Friday sales I put up. There's some fantastic sales in there. You don't want to miss on any of that merchandise, and I have some more projects I am working on for you guys coming up this week, including an inventory system that's coming on Tuesday, on Tuesday, and also the 2021 training package I will have available for the new year. Thank you guys. As always, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos, more updates, more news, and more items for you to buy and sell on all of these fantastic platforms to make you money and grow your business. Have a wonderful night, guys. I'll see you next time.